Today I'll walk you through step by step how to integrate Discord with ClickUp so your team gets instant project notifications right inside your Discord server. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management platforms available, and Discord has become the go-to hub for team communication. Connecting the two means your teammates never have to switch apps just to know what's happening with a task. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. And let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign into your ClickUp account. Head to app.clickup.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace. ClickUp lets you belong to multiple workspaces, and the integration you set up will only apply to the one you configure it in. You'll see your available workspaces listed when you first log in, so click the one where your team's projects live. With the right workspace open, look to the lower left corner of the screen for your workspace avatar. It's usually your logo or initials. Click on it to open a menu of workspace level settings. From there, you want to select either App Center or Integrations depending on which version of ClickUp you're running. Both options take you to the same place, a directory of third-party apps you can connect to your workflow. This is ClickUp's integration hub, and it's worth bookmarking because you'll likely come back to it as your team grows. Once you're in the App Center or Integrations page, take a moment to scroll through the available options. ClickUp supports connections with dozens of tools, Slack, GitHub, Zoom, and many others, so the list can be quite long. You're looking for Discord specifically. You can either scroll until you find it or use the search bar at the top of the directory to locate it faster. When you see the Discord tile, click on it to open the Integration Options panel. Here you'll see what the integration offers and a button to begin the setup. Click Connect or Add Integration to start the process. This triggers a Discord authorization window to pop up, either in the same tab or as a small browser pop-up depending on your setup. If you're not already signed into Discord in your browser, you'll be prompted to enter your Discord credentials now. Go ahead and do that. And make sure you're signing into the account that has admin permissions on the Discord server you want to use, because you'll need those permissions to authorize the connection. Before you click anything in the authorization window, take a moment to review the requested permissions. Discord will list exactly what ClickUp is asking for access to, typically the ability to post messages in channels on your behalf. Reading these permissions is good practice with any integration, so you know precisely what you're agreeing to. Once you're comfortable with what you see, use the drop-down in the authorization window to select the specific Discord server you want ClickUp to connect with. If you manage several servers, be careful here. Choose the right one. Then click Authorize to grant ClickUp the access it needs. After authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp automatically. This is where the real configuration happens. You'll now choose which ClickUp events should trigger notifications in Discord. The options typically include things like task created, task assigned, status changed, and comment added. Think carefully about what your team actually needs to know in real time. Enabling every possible notification can quickly become overwhelming and cause people to ignore the channel entirely, a phenomenon sometimes called notification fatigue. Start with the events that are genuinely time sensitive, like task assignments and status changes, and you can always add more later. Next, you'll select the specific Discord channel where those notifications should be posted. It's generally a good idea to create a dedicated channel in your Discord server for ClickUp notifications, something like #project updates or #ClickUp alerts, rather than posting into a general chat where messages can get lost. Once you've chosen the channel, look through any additional notification preferences that appear. Some setups let you filter notifications by space, folder, or list within ClickUp, which is incredibly useful for larger teams working on multiple projects simultaneously. Configure those filters to match your team's structure, then save the integration settings. Now it's time to test everything. Create a simple test task in ClickUp, something like integration test, and watch what happens in your Discord channel. Within a few seconds, you should see a notification appear with the task details. Jump over to that Discord channel and confirm the message landed correctly. If it did, congratulations, your integration is live. If the notification doesn't appear, don't panic. First, double-check that you saved your settings properly and that the correct channel was selected. Most issues at this stage come down to a mismatch between the ClickUp space you're monitoring and the filters you've set. ClickUp also provides integration logs you can review to see whether a notification was attempted and whether it succeeded, which makes troubleshooting much more straightforward. Once everything is confirmed working, set a reminder to revisit the integration settings periodically. Team needs change over time, projects shift, new members join, priorities evolve, and your notification setup should evolve with them. A quarterly review of your integration preferences keeps everything relevant and prevents the channel from becoming either too noisy or uselessly quiet. You've now successfully connected Discord and ClickUp, and your team will start receiving real-time project updates without ever having to leave their primary communication hub. That kind of seamless information flow reduces the back and forth of what's the status on this, and keeps everyone aligned with far less effort. As a next step, consider creating a pinned message in your Discord notifications channel that explains what the bot posts and who to contact with questions. It helps new team members orient themselves quickly. Save this video so you can revisit the steps anytime you set up a new workspace or Discord server, and I'll see you in the next one.